So good afternoon. We can start with the problem where we stopped in the morning session. Morning session we were discussing one question. Okay, I think we did the first part. We have to continue with the second part of that. What is the question? Can you read the question, Nandana?
Ma'am,
Yes.
in that question, I did not understand the symmetric, ma'am.
Huh?
Symmetric.
Symmetric. Symmetric. Which one? The division. Is or no? A minus B is divisible by 4. Is that part?
Yes, multiple of 4.
Multiple of 4. If A minus B is a multiple of 4, what about modulus of B minus A? You take 3 minus 2. Okay, or you take 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? Yes, Achud.
2.
What is 2? What is more 3 minus 5?
2 itself.
Huh?
2 itself.
2 itself. Okay, when you take modulus, you will be getting the same number. Okay, so A minus B is a multiple of 4 means automatically modulus of B minus A will be a multiple of 4. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we proved, okay, we proved that is an equivalence relation. Go through that question or just, okay, A is equal to, A is equal to the set 1, 2, etc. up to 12. R is set of all ordered pair AB such that modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. This is a multiple of 4. So we have proved this relation is an equivalence relation. Okay, we have proved the relation is symmetric, reflexive and transitive. Is it okay? Atul, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No. Michael, is it clear? The previous period you are asking one doubt. Is it okay? So it is an equivalence relation. We proved that it is an equivalence relation. Now what is the question asked? Find, okay, this one more part is there. What is the second part asked? Find the set of all elements. Find the set of all elements. Find the set of all elements related to 1. Find the set of all elements related to 1. What do you have to find? Set of all elements related to 1. How to do this? A is related to B means A minus B is a multiple of 4. Now what do you have to find? We want to find the set of all elements related to 1. Okay, we want to find set of all elements related to 1. That means what we want? A minus 1 is a multiple of 4. A is related to B means A minus B is a multiple of 4. Now all the elements related to 1 means A minus 1 is a multiple of 4, isn't it? Modulus of A minus 1 is a multiple of 4. Okay, all the elements related to 1. That means A minus 1 is a multiple of 4. Okay, so can you give the elements which are related to 1? So set of all elements which are related to 1, what you will get? A minus 1, okay, A is the set containing 1, 2, etc. up to 12. So you take each element. What about 1 minus 1? You take each element, you give A as 1, A as 2 and find out which all the elements will be in the set. If you take A is 1, what you will get? What is 1 minus 1? Is it 0?
Yes, ma'am.
0 is a multiple of 4, isn't it? If I take 2, is it possible? What is 2? 2 minus 1?
1.
1, is it a multiple? No, isn't it? What is the next possibility? Is it possible for 3? No. What about 4? No. 5?
Yes.
Yes. So 5 minus 1 is 4, which is a multiple of 4. Then what is the next possibility? Then 6, 7, 8,
9 minus 1.
9. Next is 9. Then 10, 11, 12. Up to 12 only we have. So what is the answer? So find the set of all elements related to 1 means it is the set 1, 5 and 9. Is it okay? It is the set 1, 5 and 9. Is it okay? Sanya, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, instead of 1, suppose find the set of all elements related to is asked. What will be your answer? Here it is, the question is set of all elements related to 1. Suppose they ask find the elements related to 2. What will be the answer? We want a minus 2 is a multiple of 4, isn't it? A minus 2 must be a multiple of 4. All the elements related to 2. Suppose we are asked to find, okay, to find all elements related to 2. Which all the elements related to 2. Related to 2. So that means a minus 2 is a multiple of 4. So which are the elements you will get here? Nandana, can you try this? A minus 2 is a multiple of 4. Is 2, then
6.
6,
10.
2, 10. Is it okay, children? How to find the element related to it? Is it okay? Srihari, Punya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So try that question. Do that question again. Okay. Now check the textbook. Let's do the question number 14. We can try the question number 14. One of you read the question. Question number 14. Aryan, read the question. Exercise 14th question.
Let L be the set of all lines in xy plane and R be the relation in L defined as R such that L1, L2, uh, L1 is parallel to L2. Show that R is an equivalence relation. Find the set of all lines related to the line y is equal to 2x plus 4.
Okay, listen here. 14th one, that is again an important question. Okay, we will be that second part, that is find set of all lines related to the line y is equal to 2x plus 4 will be asked for 1 mark question. That type will be asked for 1 mark. Listen here. L be set of all lines in xy plane. R be the relation in L defined as R is equal to ordered pair L1, L2, where L1 is parallel to L2. Where L1 is parallel to L2. Show that R is an equivalence relation. Find the set of all lines related to y is equal to 2x plus 4. L be the set of all lines in the xy plane. R is given as two lines are parallel. The two lines are related if they are parallel. We have to check whether it is an equivalence relation. So, R is equal to set of all lines, set of all ordered pair L1, L2, where L1 is parallel to L2. We have to check whether R is an equivalence relation or not. So tell me, children, similar question is there in your example question. Perpendicular, there the relation is perpendicular. Now reflexive, is it reflexive?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Gayatri. A line is parallel to itself, isn't it? If you take a line L, a line will be parallel to itself. Therefore, it is reflexive. If you take a line, it will be parallel to itself. Therefore, it is reflexive. For R is reflexive. Then second one, symmetric. Symmetric, is it possible? Suppose L1 is parallel to L2. Therefore, what you will get? The L2 is parallel to L1. Is or no? Krishna Chandran? L1 is parallel to L2. Therefore, whether L2 is parallel to L1?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, therefore, L1 comma L2 belongs to R implies L2 comma L1 also belongs to R. Therefore, R is
R is symmetric.
symmetric. Is it transitive? Check the third one. Is it transitive? Is it transitive?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Suppose a line A is parallel to B and B is parallel to C. Then A will be parallel to C, isn't it? Isn't no? We have learned in 9th standard. We have learned one theorem in lines. What we have learned? Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Therefore, it is transitive. Therefore, it is transitive. So, A is parallel to B, B parallel to C implies A is parallel to C. Therefore, R is transitive. Therefore, it is an equivalence relation. Therefore, R is an equivalence relation. Now, what is the second part of this question? What is asked in the second part? What is asked? Look at there. Read the question. What is asked in the second part? Find the set of all lines related to the line y is equal to 2x plus 4. What do you have to find here? You have to find set of all lines related to y is equal to 2x plus 4. What is the relation given here? What is the relation given here, Dia? All lines related to y is 2x plus 4. That means what is the relation given here? Huh? Parallel, isn't it? That means we want to find set of all lines parallel to y is equal to 2x plus 4. We want to find the set of all lines which are parallel to this line. That is set of all lines parallel to 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, can you give me the lines which are parallel to 2x plus y plus 4 is 0?
Ma'am,
Ah,
I didn't copy it down, ma'am. Can you show again?
okay. How you have to find? How will you find the equation of the lines parallel to a line? Last year we have learned. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Then what else we have learned last year? What else we have learned? What is the equation of the line parallel to? What is the equation of the line parallel to? Note down this, children. All these things we have learned last year. If your formula booklet is ready, all these things are there. Are your formula booklet is ready? Equation of the line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is, what is the equation we have learned? If two lines
A
are,
plus by plus k is equal
very
to
good,
0.
ax plus by plus k is 0. What is the equation of the line? Perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is 0. If two lines are perpendicular, product of the slope is -1. So what is the equation of the line? Perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is 0.
Bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0.
Bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. If it is parallel, xy coefficients are same. Only the constant term will vary. If it is perpendicular, what you will do? We will okay, the xy coefficient we will interexchange and plus constant is 0. Okay, so now here, what is the equation of the line you will get? So what is the set of all lines? Parallel to 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Set of all lines which are parallel to, that means, so it is same as set of all lines whose equation takes the form, whose equations are of the form, which form? Parallel means xy coefficient should be same. 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Where k is a real number, where k belongs to R. Okay, we are asked to find the set of all lines related, parallel to it, related to it. Related means here the relation is parallel. So set of all lines parallel to the line means xy coefficients will be same, only the constant will vary. So 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0 is the equation. Is it okay? Is it okay, children?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What we have learned in 11th standard, each and every point we will be using here. It's important. That's what I, formula booklet, is it ready? Huh? Atul? Is it ready? Gayatri? Atul?
No, ma'am, a little more is left.
What about Achyut?
Not ready, ma'am.
When you are going to make it?
Only some more are remaining.
Huh?
There's some more are remaining.
Some more. By this 2 or 3 days, you should complete it. Okay? After that, okay, we'll be getting more and more works. That time, don't say it is not ready. When you come here, okay, you have to submit this one in the formula booklet also. Start preparing. Michael, is it ready? Huh? Emmanuel?
Working on it, ma'am.
Working on it. Okay, going to working, where the working process is going on? Going is notebook. Okay, write the next one, children. So the first exercise, try to complete it. Okay, first exercise, try to complete that one. So almost the first question, look at the exercise questions. We have to do extra questions in this chapter. So many extra questions are there. Look at here, the first one we have done. Okay, the fifth one. In fifth one, it is a simple question. Okay, it's no need to do that one. Just go through it. Okay, R be a relation in the set of human beings. Here, First case, x and y work at the same place. First one, fifth one, A division. Is it reflexive? X and y work at the same place. Means whether x and x work in the same place? Is or no? X and x work in the same place. Yes, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so it is reflexive. Is it symmetric? X and y work in the same place means y and x also works in the same place. Then, is it transitive? X and y works in the same place. Y and z works in the same place. So what about x and z? They works in the same place. Okay. So this fifth one, no need to do it. Just go through it. That's all. Then second one, third, second, fourth, five. Yesterday itself I gave us homework. Third one is today's homework. Third one is today's homework. Then next one, sixth one is a 1 mark question. Sixth one is a 1 mark question. Show that the relation, look at the relation, is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay, that one you can try. Seventh one also similar question. Okay, seventh one also what is given? Number of pages in the books are same. You have to check it is an equivalence relation. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Ninth one already we discussed it. A minus B is even. Even means it is a multiple of 2 or we can say it is divisible by 2. The same thing, only the words were changed. So 8th one you have to try. 9th first part we have done. Second part you try it. Then 11th one. 11th one look at here. Okay, 11th, 12th, 13th are similar type of questions. 11th one what is given? Show that the relation R in the set A of points in a plane given by R is P, Q, collection of PQ, set of all points PQ, where distance of P from the origin is same as distance of Q from the origin. Is it an equivalence relation? Show that this is an equivalence relation. Emmanuel, read the question 11th one.
Show that relation R in the set A of points in a plane given by R equal to set of all PQ. Distance of the point P from the origin is same as the distance of the point Q from the origin. Equivalence relation. Further, show the set of all points related to a point P equal to 0, 0. The circle passing through P with origin as center.
Okay. So listen here. What is given? Here R is set of all points P and Q such that distance from the origin OP is equal to OQ. You have to prove this is an equivalence relation. Is it reflexive? Aditya, whether the relation is reflexive? Whether OP will be same as OP? Distance from OP will be same as OP, isn't it? Therefore, it is reflexive. Then, is it symmetric? Distance from O to P is same as distance from O to Q. Therefore, can we say OQ is equal to OP?
Yes.
Yes. Therefore, it is symmetric. Is it transitive?
Yes.
Yes. Therefore, it is an equivalence relation. Then there, what is the second part asked? Show that set of all points related to the point P not equal to origin is the circle which passes through A with origin as center. What do you have to find here? We want to find set of all points P which is not equal to origin. Set of all points P is a circle passing through the O with origin as center. So we want to find set of all P which is related to Q, that is OP is equal to OQ. OP is equal to OQ means what you will get? Okay, if you draw the circle, suppose this is the origin, P is a point P, Q. OP is equal to OQ means when you join such points, OP is equal to OQ, what you will get? You will be getting the circle. OP is equal to OQ. The distance is same. It is the collection of points which are at equal distance from the center O. P and Q are at equal distances. If you collect such points, okay, we will be getting a circle. Okay, same way go through the next two questions. Okay, the next question is based on similarity. When will you say two triangles to be similar? When will you say two triangles to be similar? What is the condition for two triangles to be similar? Two triangles are said to be similar if
Angles are
angles are same along with which are the criteria we have learned for similarity? Criteria for similarity, which are the criteria? Is it SSS criteria there? If all the sides are proportional. Okay. The second one is, yes, AA criteria, if all the angles, okay, AA criteria or AA criteria. Then third one, yes, Punya, tell me Punya, what is the next one?
SAS,
SAS.
ASA,
ASA, is it there for triangle? Similarity? Okay.
AAS,
Okay, in triangle we have similarity, we use only these three criteria only. Okay, AA criteria, SAS criteria and SSS criteria. Only these three criteria are there. Okay, here we are going to prove, okay, we are going to relate two triangles if they are similar. Okay, go through that one, try to solve the 12th one and 13th one. Now write the next question. Write the next question. Write down. If R is a relation in n cross n, R is a relation in n cross n defined by, R is a relation in n cross n defined by A comma B is related to C comma D, A comma B is related to C comma D, if and only if AD is equal to, A plus B is equal to B plus C. A plus B is equal to B plus C. R is a relation in n cross n defined by A comma B is related to C comma D if A plus B is equal to B plus C. When you add the extreme entries, it will be same as sum of the middles. Okay, A plus B is equal to B plus C.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Okay, do the homeworks and come. Okay, we'll be discussing that type of question in the next class. We can discuss that one in the next class. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.